Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today I'm gonna show you the most three important Windows shortcut, and this gonna make your life so much easier, which you are still isn't using. And if you are a Windows user, obviously you're gonna love just these. So first is stop taking your desktop or laptop's picture with your phone. That's not the right way. Don't you know that you can even screenshot your laptop or desktop device? Why you are still doing it? Like bringing your phone on the screen and clicking pictures with it. Why? So the first trick is how to, like, first shortcut is how to take screenshot within your Windows system. That is, first key is press down win key, like Windows key, and click on print screen. It will take a screenshot of your screen. And if you have print screen button in any of the function keys like F1 F2, any of the function keys, so you have to do what? Windows Fn function key, then click on the print screen. That will take the screenshot of your Windows system or Windows screen. Now, I would prefer, if you use ShareX for taking screenshot, I have made a video previously. I will share the link here in the card wherever the card appears. So why I like to use ShareX, because it will support just clicking on the print screen button. So if I hit print screen, it will take the screenshot, and obviously for function key Fn print screen, that's it. Okay. And there's another great thing that you can press control and print screen to take a specific portion of your screen, so you don't have to edit it later, like crop it later and send it to someone. So that's a great feature. I think that's why I use it a lot. Now second let me go through my notes. Okay, second is Clipboard. So many of the Windows user don't know about it, don't use it. I don't know why, because maybe they are not aware of it. That's why. That is, you can enable Clipboard in your Windows laptop, in your Windows system, without having to download any additional apps. So what is Clipboard basically? I think you know, like, it will save your copied elements in the Clipboard, right? So how to enable it? So Win plus V, like whenever you paste, you press Control V. Rather than that, Win plus V. And when you gonna do it for first time, it will ask you to enable Clipboard option. So before copying anything, please do it. Okay, then copy it, then copy anything it will save for you, like pictures or Figma. In If you are using in Figma, copy Figma blocks, SVGs, copy text, anything you can copy, and it will save it for you. And whenever you want to paste it, just click Windows and V, it will reappear again, and you can choose from the options, and obviously click on the option and get it going. So here was the second shortcut. And the last keyboard combination, that is for emojis. Like, many of us didn't knew about it, like don't knew about it. But I also didn't knew about it, like a few months back, 2 to 3 months back, because I never used it. Like, I never used emojis in Windows. Like, why? I don't know why, but I never tried to find it out also. So I thought ki every time you have to use emoji in Windows, you have to bring up the virtual keyboard and search from there. But no, there's a easy solution. That is Windows key and full stop or dot, whatever you wanna call it. Full stop basically, because you have to type it in the QWERTY keypad. So Windows and full stop. that will bring up the whole emoji set, and you can just search for emoji while you are typing. Like if I press windows and full stop and I start laugh, start writing laugh, LAUGH, so it will bring all of the laughing emojis here. Then I can choose any one of them and insert it into my obviously text editor, Figma, whatever I am doing that in that moment. So this was the third. So that's it. What else? And nothing else. That's it about this video. So this video was bit different because there isn't any screen sharing and all. Whatever, if you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great resources, cool web apps, these little tips and tricks, please let me know about all of them in the comment section, so I can make a video about them in future. So bye.